What's going on, peeps? It's Letitia with Barefoot Gardening. I hope that you're doing well. So I am coming out. It's about between 10 and 11 o'clock in the morning. We have, oh my gosh, we have gotten a lot of rain the past couple of days. So everything is looking so beautiful. And but what I wanted to show y'all was this cucumber. I'm excited. This is the first time I've ever grown Itachi cucumbers, and the plant looks great. The fruit is pretty amazing. It is a white cucumber. From my research, I found out that, a lot of people like to eat them when they're young. They don't like to eat them when they get too big because they're less crunchy. So I looked at this yesterday and I was like, do I need to go ahead and get it? It was not this big yesterday. So I'm glad I'm coming out here today to get it. So I just want to try it and see what's going on. But I do have a lot of fruits on the plant. And so I'm excited to keep harvesting. This cucumber is asexual. So it doesn't have to be fertilized to produce fruit. So you don't have to pollinate male and female flowers. You can. If you don't do that, my understanding is you will not get seeds. So I don't know. This is my first time, but that's just what I read. That if you do not pollinate the flowers, or they are not pollinated, you will not get seeds. But this plant will produce fruit regardless of it being pollinated or not. So this is a hybrid type of variety of cucumber. Okay, the Itachi cucumber. Yeah, look at those. There's more fruits there. So I'm gonna set this camera down and harvest this fruit. Let me see the best shot here. It'll probably be here. Okay, give me 1 second, y'all, so I can get it all in here. I do plan to grow this fruit again. I don't grow a lot of hybrid varieties in my garden, but it is what it is. People have different opinions about hybrids versus heirlooms, and if you don't know much about that, you should check that out. The difference between heirlooms and hybrids. My understanding is hybrids are genetically modified. They may have been cross-pollinated. Produce are cross-pollinated in naturally, or they can their genetics can be made up in a lab. Okay, heirloom seeds are supposed to be the original seed passed down from generation to generation, is my understanding. But do more research so you can make up your mind about what you want to do in your garden. But let's harvest this first cucumber, and then of course I'm going to do a taste test. Of course. Okay, I got you there. First time I'm harvesting the Itachi cucumber. So just like pretty much any cucumber, I guess, this is prickly. So just be careful. And I am choosing to cut it off of the vine so I don't rip the vine down. Okay. The first Itachi cucumber from Barefoot Gardening. And it's pretty big, right? Look at there. Look at that guy. Yeah, he's a foe. Okay. I'm just going to do this. Yeah, we don't want him on the plant at all. Okay. So I'm going to take it in, wash it up, and we're going to give it a test, okay? There looks to be a little bit of sap coming out, and I'm pretty sure that's natural, but I'm not sure why. I think it's just because I cut it off of a live vine, okay? There's some little sap there. Do y'all see that? And there looks to be some a little bit of damage. That could be from the sun. I also learned that this cucumber may have a green tint to it because of the sun. So it's always good to leave most of the leaves on this plant if you can, so that it can naturally protect the cucumbers from the sun as well. So you can get that pretty white flesh But there's nothing wrong with the cucumber if it's you know, has a green tint to it, okay, like this one. So I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, so let's take it in the house and give it a taste test. My first Itachi cucumber. All right, so I'm actually gonna, I took it in the house, washed it up, and now I'm going to try it. And I'm excited. I'm so excited about this. So obviously I got to take my mask off to do this. Y'all know, most of y'all know, I have allergies really bad. And most of the time I have to wear a mask outside to help with that. Okay. But anywho, here we go. The Itachi cucumber. I'm going to actually cut from this side. Hope y'all can see that, but white flesh inside. And let's see. Let me cut it this way. So y'all can see. I don't see a whole lot of seeds yet. Okay. So I'm gonna show you up close here. It smells good. Has that cucumber smell, but it's a little bit more. It's just very fresh, and it has like a hint of, what is that? Not lime. Gosh, I don't know. That aroma is really great. So let's taste this. Gosh, I wish I can't really describe. It's almost like almost like a floral lime aroma. It's so interesting. I hope y'all can see that. I hope it's not too dark. But let's taste it and see what it's like. Yeah, I don't see a lot of seeds in this. But okay. It's crunchy. So just because I didn't harvest it small, young, doesn't mean there's not going to be a crunch to it. But yeah, I could eat this whole cucumber. Hi, baby. Little big girl farmers out here. Do you want to try it? Okay.
So people home, kids have to be careful with these. People home.
Oh, down, please.
People home. Do you know what these is? People home. Do you know what this is? Yeah, that's right. People home, it's a knife.
Yes, it's a knife. Thank you so much. Do you want to try the cucumber? I thought you were going to pick the cucumber up and tell the kids to be careful because it's prickly. You pick the knife up. Do you want to try the cucumber? It's pretty tasty.
I know. I love these vegetables. They'll give me superpowers, people. If I eat them, it'll help me stay healthy because of the veggies.
I really like the taste, but it's not it's not a very potent. It smells more potent than it actually tastes, in my opinion. But that aroma is just it's beautiful, and
People.
Do you agree that it's crunchy?
Yeah, but it's still good.
It's good? It's supposed to be crunchy. Okay, well, there we go. Our review of the Itachi cucumber. Thank you all so much for watching.
People, kids must be careful with knives because they are sharp and they can cut kids' fingers off.
Mm-hmm.
So grown-ups can touch them only.
As she picked it up.
People, if kids are grown-ups, then they can touch a knife.
Okay. What do you think about the cucumbers? Do you think kids should be careful when harvesting cucumbers?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because they're prickly.
They're prickly, yeah. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll love y'all. Bye. She's waving at the police. All right. Bye-bye.